On February 26, 2026, a severe thunderstorm brought large hail, heavy rain, and thunderstorms to central and northern Alabama. The storm caused widespread road flooding and damage to vehicles. On Thursday morning, February 26, the first wave of the storm and heavy rain moved into north-central Alabama local time, affecting the cities and counties of Birmingham, Trussville, Pinson, Clay, and Bridge City. The storm produced hailstones measuring up to 2 inches in diameter in most areas, with the heaviest hailstones in the Birmingham area. The hail, along with the heavy rain and thunderstorms, caused roofs to leak and roads to flood, disrupting city traffic.
Oh my gosh, you just hit this building!
It's still hailing.
The storm dumped 2 to 3 inches of rain on central and northern Alabama. However, the storm system was moving more broadly across the southeastern United States, with nearby states also affected by heavy rain and thunderstorms. The states affected by the system included Mississippi, Tennessee, Georgia, and Florida. According to weather reports, large hailstones measuring up to 2 inches in diameter were recorded mainly in Alabama, while other states saw more heavy rain, lightning, and strong winds, with fewer large hailstones reported. Videos released showed heavy rain and hail cascading down from roofs. Hailstones as large as 2 inches in diameter caused cracks and dents in roofs and car bodies. The most damage was to parked cars that were directly hit by the hail. The heavy rain also made roads slippery and flooded, and local authorities issued driving restrictions and traffic warnings to keep citizens safe. Heavy rainfall from the storm caused rivers to overflow and low-lying streets to flood, particularly in Birmingham, which experienced the heaviest rainfall. The intensity of the rain caused water levels to rise in urban streets in a short period of time, disrupting traffic. On the other hand, large hailstones caused significant damage to the agricultural sector. Direct impacts of hailstones on fruits, vegetables, and crops caused bruising, damage, and in some cases complete loss of crops, which could have economic consequences for farmers in the region. Alabama weather officials and local officials issued emergency safety warnings for the north and central regions of the state, especially the city of Birmingham, following a severe storm on February 26, 2026. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning and a flood advisory and flash flood warning, warning of the possibility of large hail up to 2 inches in diameter and damaging winds. At the same time, local officials issued a warning to drivers of extremely slippery roads and closed some roads due to flooding, and emphasized that unnecessary travel should be avoided until the weather conditions improve. The warnings are issued to reduce the risk of life and prevent further damage, and residents are urged to take shelter in safe, covered places. If you want to stay up to date, safe and informed, subscribe to the channel now, like the video and leave a comment. Heavy black heart hash. Your support motivates us to deliver reliable and timely news to you faster and better. Newspaper high voltage sign.